Watch a single idea become a full email sequence that follows up for you automatically. This is outreach campaigns in AfrikSabify. Start a campaign, pick your recipients from the leads you already have, and build the sequence step by step. First touch, then a follow-up, then one more, each with its own delay. I helps compose the personalized emails, drawing on everything enrichment learned about each prospect, so no two feel copy-pasted. Choose your warmed-up sending identity and launch. From then on, one screen shows you everything: how many were sent, who replied, and where each campaign stands. Need to breathe? Pause it, adjust and resume, or cancel entirely in one click. Every message carries a compliant unsubscribe footer, so you stay on the right side of the rules. Follow-ups that used to slip your mind now happen on their own, and replies flow straight into your inbox. Build a sequence once, it works every week. Launch your first campaign at AfrikSabify.com.